Hey, so today I have quite a busy schedule because I have to fly out to Japan today, and I'm gonna be like traveling by myself, but obviously I'm gonna like meet some new people there in Japan. But yeah, I have traveled by myself before, so I kind of know how everything works, but if in doubt, like I would always follow the people in front of me, but obviously don't do that because like sometimes they're not like, but yeah, I just wanted to like kind of like vlog my whole experience of going into Japan. Oh my god, like I still can't believe like I'm actually flying there. Like when I woke up I was just like, I'm flying to Japan today, like that's so crazy. Anyway, I just need to pack a few more stuff and then I should be ready to go. But yeah, I have to leave at like 2:30ish, and the time right now is like 11 o'clock, so should be okay. I'm gonna go take the train there to Heathrow Airport, and then I'm going to, yeah, hopefully get checked in and everything. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm about to leave, I guess. So yeah. Hi, I'm getting ready to leave now. I just need to put some things in my backpack and then I'll be done. But this is my outfit. I just wore a hoodie with a shirt and joggers, and I don't know if you can see them, but I'm wearing like New Balances as well. And yeah, that's it. I'm just like looking for comfort on the plane, honestly, because like, yeah, I do not want to be like really uncomfortable on the plane. I put my hair into braids because yeah, I just feel like my long hair will just get too like tangled and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm leaving, I guess. basically I forgot to vlog everything, but like yeah, I came to the dorm kind of room, and it's so nice. I met everyone, but they went out clubbing, but I'm really jet lagged, so I don't have energy. But it's really cute and everyone's really nice, and yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm in like Japan though. I keep thinking I'm in London, like in the countryside, and I'm like, wait, I'm actually in Japan. That's crazy. But yeah, I would show you like the dorm, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. But it looks really cute. Everything is so cute. And I think tomorrow we have some event going on. But yeah, but this is like the end of my Okinawa, the end of Going Me to Okinawa vlog. So I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I didn't really show much to be honest, but I hope you liked it.
When the world grows heavy on my chest, your arms remind me where my heart can rest. You lift the weight I never learned to share, turning every tremble into something fair. Where you're